Today was kind of a fun day. We got together with a few of our friends, went on a really nice ride in some perfect, absolutely perfect weather. We had to get started early, I'll explain later, but the real part of the day that's important is you can share the ride with us in full 4K, adjust your device, and we had to get out on the open road really, really early. There's going to be a big party in the yard next door. Don't hit the black bike. You're late. Look at the day we have here. Look at this day.
I don't want to wake up the neighborhood.
No. Shut it off when you're on Route 17 and push it here. So Guy is going, when are you going to track day?
June 2nd.
June 2nd, okay, so, well, I'm giving him my back protector because I don't want him to get hurt. To be honest, he's a good friend, and I'm going to get the tomatoes from him. My tomatoes are growing faster than his are. So the protocol today is our neighbor's daughter, and congratulations, Elizabeth, graduated law school yesterday, so I have to be back early. That's the reason we're leaving here before the chickens wake up. They're going to have a big party out in the backyard, of course, and congratulations. And we're going to get a nice early ride in today. See who else shows up. So Guy is measuring my tomatoes against his tomatoes. Mine, you bought bigger plants. We're having a little tomato, a tomato MotoGP. You bought bigger plants. They're really all growing in here. Everything's growing. No, he finally arrived. Right on time, right under budget.
Nice looking that bike.
Morning. Sorry about that.
Mike, you're only a half hour late, so it means you buy lunch and supper.
Not bad.
Not
You've been
bad.
excommunicated from the DUCATI club, though.
GPS. I hate GPS.
You need more lights on this. You look like a spaceship coming down a road.
Yeah, man.
He's
Is
got
this-
a camera down there. Look.
Look how nice. He got it all back together.
That is nice.
Oh, down. You're in. Where the hell were you born?
Well, they ain't sleeping anymore.
Well,
I can't keep up with that, though. I can't even keep up with that.
That is friggin' nice, man.
Mike.
Is there a camera under the
Crap.
scout?
Mike, it looks great. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Mike just reassembled this bike. He took it apart and couldn't figure out how to put it back together.
Well,
But what is that, a camera, Mike?
It's a dash cam, right?
That's
A dash cam?
That's a dash cam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, man.
So
I'm tired already.
It records his accidents.
I put so many things on this bike, it's not even funny.
It's a spaceship.
I have
It's not
those
a
horns. I haven't
motorcycle.
put them on my bike yet. That sounds really good.
It's a
an
2012.
aftermarket, right?
Thing looks brand new.
The horns are aftermarket, right?
Oh, yeah.
Mike, how come you took this apart? What was the reason you took it apart?
Bike can have a loud horn.
Why did you take it apart?
I started doing upgrades and then had trouble with these fog lights, and that's what held me up.
The lights? It doesn't have a bright enough headlight, or what was
No,
just
I
for
figured
appearance?
more lights is better. Fog lights is good, you know.
Well, you know, your Ducati is hard to see in the mirrors when we're riding. That with the monster?
I'm gonna check that out.
I don't know why it's not bright.
I know. Everybody tells me the same thing. Everybody tells me the
And
same
those are
thing.
LEDs. They should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a daytime running light. It's not the headlight.
Those should be bright too, though.
But it's like an oval thing.
I'm sorry, but you've been excommunicated.
Show
from the
Guy how the helmet.
DUCATI group for riding a Honda.
Mike, show Guy how the helmet thing works on this.
A what?
The tank.
Oh yeah.
I was trying to explain
Well,
to him. He
there's-
never saw this.
There's really it doesn't really hold a real helmet.
It'll hold lunch.
Just a salami sandwich?
No, more than that. It'll hold a picnic for 4 guys. Look at that.
You've got to be careful.
Yeah.
You can put the trophy for your tomato plants.
Something goes
they
down
made
there.
these bigger in the
That is cool, huh?
subsequent models.
I think that's pretty cool.
I put my fuse.
Nice quiet muffler too. I didn't even hear him coming.
You really got a lot of room there. So where do you put the
The what?
fuel?
Oh, back here.
There's the fuel tank.
Here's the dash cam VCR. I put a flashing tail light in, put all LED lights. I took off the Honda bars, I put the GB bars, air horn.
Those are nice.
It has saddlebags.
That's a pretty cool bike, isn't it?
Honda saddlebags I have home. Put a radiator guard.
And it's a V-twin.
Yeah, it's a half a fit engine. Honda Fit.
Is it a V-twin? I thought it was a parallel twin.
Parallel twin, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a.
I put an aftermarket seat on it.
Guy, look at this. Look how nice the engine. The finish on the engine is nice. That's a nice finish. Well, Honda, everything is nice.
I like how they
Paint is nice.
I like
really
how
nice
they hide
paint.
the carbon fiber in the back. That's weird.
Yeah.
I put the extension, yeah, I put that
You
extension.
put
you
that
picked
on.
that.
You added that, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Single disc brake.
Single disc brake, does the job.
It's a big one.
But they're wave discs.
It's almost as big as the Buells. Remember those? They
Yeah.
put them on the outside.
I like that.
I like it. This is a nice looking,
I like your upgrades. They're all pretty cool.
I took a $5,000 bike and I put $2,000 worth of upgrades.
That's the exact same one, yeah.
You got, and what do? You pull that up. That pulls
Yeah,
the
so in
laces
other
up.
words, you open this up and you go into the boot,
Okay.
then you pull this thing tight and it gives you extra support and extra
Yeah,
safety, you know. And it's very good. I mean, and they're comfortable. They're
Now, you
very
see how he has jeans, he could tuck it in there and
Yeah.
close this? I
But-
cannot for the life of
Yeah,
me
but
close.
when I wear my leather pants, I manage to tuck them in too.
But these are shorties. The boots
Yeah.
you have, you don't have to tuck them in.
No, but
There's no zipper on the bottom of those
No, for
boots?
the track.
Oh, the boots? Yeah, you...
No, not the
Okay.
There's a zipper right
I
there.
see,
How
I
about a
see,
zipper
okay.
on the pants?
Oh yeah, this whole thing opens up, yeah.
Try putting it over the boot.
Yeah?
Yeah. Try.
Yeah, but I got a pad. I got a pad that's already broken in. You can take to the track if you squish them. It won't even matter.
See, that's a lot.
The only part where is worn out on mine is the heels. You know. Okay, so that.
But I have, that's what I'm saying, I have those exact, it's so funny.
really good, I love
Exact
these
same ones.
These are the real deal. Yeah.
They're really
But
good.
see, here's your...
I got it.
So we're getting Guy all suited up for the track. He's got my boots, Luciano's chest protector.
Wait, I have your...
Karen's leather
I
suit.
got your bra on.
and the Jot's underwear. What a crew.
I feel like Cinderella's birds. Dressing.
He's got
singing
glass
the-
slippers. He's got no socks on. What a crew. Hey, time to ride.
That's right.
And as usual, we took all the back roads possible. Every twist and turn. It was getting hotter by the minute. We wanted to stay on some shady roads, and it just turned out to be a great day to ride. It was a great day, period. We had a lot of fun with Mike. I'm happy to see he got his NC back together and running, and it looks like he did a pretty good job. What could be more fun than Rockaway bagels? Bagels and good friends.
Having Mike buy them.
Yeah, tell Mike. He was late today. He's got to buy.
This is second the lot. It did it 3 times.
Does it go into neutral or goes into third?
Neutral.
You don't have to worry. I got plenty of motorcycles home. If this one dies, we'll go get another one. Where are those women? Oh, there they are. Oh, hey, he brought his bike with the double seat for you today.
You don't need me. Okay.
Rockaway Bagel, motorcycle friendly. Well, not really friendly, but we make them friendly.
Just because we don't
We
have-
force them
we
to
don't-
be
we don't
friendly.
have just jalapeno.
But look at those bagels. Mmm.
The only
Bagels always taste good on a ride.
So just when
Oh, what a beautiful day this turned out to be. Woo. All this and his parties when we get back home. Wow. party day. So what's the recommended lunch for Aprilia owners? 2 bananas?
And a coffee.
What does this guy eat? What are you getting, Mike?
I got a bacon, egg, and cheese on a...
Holy caramba!
I'm hungry, man.
Man, you're high maintenance, and what are you eating there, John? Oh, and notice, look at who's on a diet. He doesn't have anything. So they allowed us to have a personal private parking spot here at Rockaway Bagel because Mike generously offered to give all the girls butter and bagels a free ride after work today.
Yeah.
So if you're not hungry, you'll be hungry now. These bagels are great.
Don't let it fool you. At that party later, you're going to be stuffing your face.
You bet. Rockaway Bagels. So congratulations to Mike on getting a Honda put back together, all the wiring and all the spaceship options he's got on this thing. It was an amazing job seeing him get it put back together. And we had a great time riding, a great ride home, and I had to get home super early because we are having a giant graduation party. Elizabeth has graduated law school, and it's going to be a wonderful party this afternoon. So this day ended. You couldn't make this up if you wanted to. Luciano broke down. He didn't ride with us. He went to Bear Mountain and broke down. Guy and I had to take Guy's truck, go rescue him. And I get back to the party just in time to have some cupcakes. Congratulations again, Elizabeth, on it. We're doing auditions for the Playboy magazine. How many of you ladies would like to be in Playboy this month? Or is it Playgirl? What is it now? I don't even know. I don't keep up with that stuff. What a great way to end any ride, with a great party and cupcakes and food and all the goodies there. We really had a nice day from this super early morning with Mike blowing his horn and waking the neighbors up to Elizabeth's party. I had several of those cupcakes and cookies, and when I got on a scale in the morning, it didn't lie to me, let's put it that way. But again, hey, there's the lucky girl. Congratulations, Elizabeth. You could represent us in court. And because we have a Valentine radar detector, we may not need Elizabeth as much as the people who ride without one. And again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and congratulations again to Mike and Elizabeth. Quite a nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you did, and thank you so much for watching.